Chemistry. Today, our turn to mix a thing to state your property. Hey! Good day. My name is Ara Camille Manaog from Trimaya of Cabuyao National High School, and I want to present to you my poem, all about chemical change. Titled Chemical Change. It's created by me for us. Chemical change, I'm feeling strange. I've changed to something new. Chemical change, atoms change. Properties different too. Chemical change, I'm feeling strange. My bonds, I think they're breaking. Chemical change, I'm rearranged. Like change that's caused by baking. Baking or burning or mixing things that cause them to react. We know it's just a pack, oxidize, or use a flame to cause things to combust. Iron tends to oxidize and makes things called rust. Chemical change, I'm feeling strange. A different, how about you? Chemical change, chemical things, and give us something new. Hope you like it. I know you enjoy. Bye bye. Thank you.